Hey, power washing business owners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services? Perhaps you've been looking at website builders and you've heard of options like Weebly, Squarespace, Wix, or GoDaddy. So I'm going to be showing you a new kid on the block, Marty Sites, to build a simple and affordable website for your power washing service. Let's jump in. Now, as I said, if you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, perhaps you've randomly stumbled across this video today, welcome to our YouTube channel. Marty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable compared to other website builders. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in to start the free trial, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, power washing service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's start Marty Sites. A few basic details about our power washing service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Marty Sites will work its magic and generate a simple website for your very own business. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about the Marty Sites platform that makes us a little bit different from other website builders is we've actually pre-written the content specific to our power washing service. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. Let your customers know how you got into the industry, a little background of your business. They'd absolutely love to read more about it. To make any changes, you absolutely don't need to know any coding, as I mentioned. You don't need to be very tech savvy either, which means you literally don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let's get started. Let me give you a quick overview of how easy it is to use. I'm going to click on the first section at the top over here. I'm going to pop in my email address and make sure that that's visible to my customers by checking that box. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Maybe you have a mobile business, you can leave that physical location off. Underneath update social link is where you can put in the various social media platform for your business. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website, so your customers can easily give you a follow, social channels, get some engagement going. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section over here to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo, crop it, rotate it by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize it to make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors, of course, you don't need to know any color coding. Just click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. Now, for the sections you'd like to change the content, maybe those call to action buttons or the images, just click on update section. Over here, you have the option to browse your own device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. Just change the keywords to find suitable images for your business. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons, where they're linked to. Uploading a PDF file is a great way to display your pricing points or packages for your services, or you can link to another website. Maybe you take calendar bookings for your services. A lot of our customers make use of Calendly. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you've already purchased a custom domain, you can connect it easily by Marty Sites makes use of Entry, which literally connects your domain for you. Click on that button at the bottom, which was a smart move to purchase a custom domain, because it makes your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. If you don't have a custom domain yet, go ahead and click on that button as well. you can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marti Sites platform as well. I really hope the short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Marti Sites platform for your power washing service. I'm really wishing you and your business Marti success. If you have any questions about the Marti Sites platform, do pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. We have loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. All the best.